Welcome, my name's Elijah.
My name's Troy.
And we are part of the most transparent, youthful, fun, money-making financial movement that you have ever seen. So we're actually called FSM. Previously you might have known us as My Digital Finance, but we've actually advanced now and actually added in Forex knowledge as well. So that's what it is that we specialize in. So it's not just cryptocurrency that you're going to be getting knowledge on, it's also Forex. You're getting the best of both worlds. But Troy, tell them a bit about yourself.
Alright, my name's Troy, as I said before. I was previously known as SB Forex.
Yes.
Here now, FSM, what we're trying to do, we've added, as you said before, Forex.
I used to watch all your videos.
Oh wow, really?
I used to, like, every single Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday he would post videos,
breakdown
videos on what he believes that his market outview would be for the next week. And definitely one of the individuals that I was inspired by during the time I was learning. But yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so we're bringing now Forex, stocks, bonds and commodities into FSM, well as cryptocurrency. So to give people the overall package of trading the financial markets. So some people may know I've come from a medical background and I started trading in 2014 alongside my degree. So that was actually quite interesting. And then in 2016 I got a job in the industry where I was watching the Asian markets in the office, learning fundamental analysis. Wow. And that's why I learned to combine fundamentals alongside technicals to create my own trading style, which many of you saw in the videos that I was creating.
Amazing stuff. So this partnership, is like, has anyone seen Suarez and also Storage back in 2014-15? Different class. So myself as well, been learning how to trade. Learned how to trade for about 4 years. I started when I was around 19. I'm now actually 23 years of age. And during that time, I was just trying to get exposed to different things. My background was actually sports. I was looking to get into football. That was my passion, my dream.
You were pretty much. You were a very good footballer. Let's not be too modest about that.
So that's what it is that I wanted to do, as many young people would do in the communities that we grew up in. We haven't been exposed to the information of finance and how we actually can play a role in there. That was never a belief system that I had, that I can play a major role in finance. But I strongly believe I fell into purpose with this thing, because it's not just about myself being financially educated. It's about now being able to reproduce that in other people. So that's what FSM is. It's a hub. It's a platform where our aim and our desire is to educate people financially and get into trading as well. So trading is something I've been learning, like I said, for 4 years and been up and down. But just a story about myself. In November, the previous year that just gone, in November, a few months ago, I was able to get a £10,000 investment, and in the space of 2 months, I was actually able to transform that to £60,000.
Wow!
But it took me 4 years to get to that stage. It didn't take me 2 months. Awesome. But yeah, so what is FSM gonna be able to bring to the table? What's different that we do?
We're gonna bring, as you said before, transparency. We're gonna show not just lifestyle but also charts. We've seen some people show the lifestyle, not the charts, and vice versa. But we're gonna show the whole package to let us people know, there's also the hard work in the charts, and then once you do the hard work, you enjoy it through the lifestyle. We're gonna bring unmatched level of information. We're gonna show people that we know our stuff. We had tons of experience in the field, training, real life experience, and that's what we're going to bring to everyone, to let them know that they can do it too.
100%. So that is our aim, and that's what we're going to be doing. So what we're actually going to deliver is on Wednesday and Saturdays, I believe. Saturday or Sunday, depending on the schedule that we have. We're going to be able to deliver you guys videos, so you'll be able to keep in contact with us at all times. We want to be able to showcase just what it is that we get up to on a day-to-day basis. So we're going to make sure that we be in contact with you. But what I want you guys to do is just check out the link below, so you can also keep up to date with us on Instagram, Twitter. I'll be able to drop in the links down below there if you just click there. It's called FSM_trading. And our aim is to just be in as many people's faces as possible and to show complete transparency and win together. So that's our aim, guys, and I hope you stay with us along the journey there. My name's Elijah.
My name's Troy.
And I'll see you guys later.